Are you the one who is planning to take the IELTS GT test in the next couple of months? Then this video is just for you. Students often complain that when it comes to GT, there is not much help available on YouTube. But this video is for a certain reason. I want all the GT candidates get together. Just hit the comment section and share where you are from and when you are intended to take the IELTS GT test. Well, the fact is that a vast majority is preparing and practicing for 8777, and you often struggle to achieve the desired score as well. And of course, you'll be looking for some ideas and techniques or some training that can help you to achieve 8777. Why I am making this video? First thing, I want all the GT candidates get connected who are planning to take the exam in the next few months. For example, somebody out of you is taking the IELTS exam in the first or second week of November. He or she can share the IELTS exam experience, which would really benefit the other students to have an idea what they can expect in the real exam. If we are going to have a decent number of students, we may also plan to start online classes at a certain time period, which can be late in the evening, so that students can comfortably connect, especially those who are professionals, and remain engaged with their professional commitments from morning till evening. At the same time, I would like to inform you guys that we already have a complete IELTS GT crash course, a 15 days program, IELTS GT Success, which can certainly help you to improve and practice for 8777. However, a word of caution is it comes with explanations in Hindi. So if you do not understand Hindi, it can be little troublesome for you. But if you do understand Hindi, don't waste a sec. Do check it out right now. Follow these steps, download my application. Day 1 contents are absolutely free, where you would find my video lectures on all the 4 modules of IELTS, and hundreds of test takers have already achieved a very decent score just by following this program. Apart from this, we also offer one-on-one personalized training, which means at a given time a personal trainer is appointed for you, and he or she takes care of the modules that you are struggling in. For example, you can connect us for a single module, or you can connect us for preparation of all the 4 modules of IELTS. Well guys, this is very important that you remain connected with this particular video, because it would help you to figure out what the examiners are asking. Because if you be sharing your exam experience with me, especially the cue cards or task 1, task 2 after the exam, we will be in the position to share exam review videos as well, because the recent exam videos been watched by many students and liked by them as well. And of course, it is a way to form a community where GT students are getting support of each other. I hope you love the content of this video, and if yes, don't hesitate to hit the like button. And it is very important that you mention in the comment section that where you are from, when you are intended to take the GT test, and don't forget to mention your band requirement as well, and let me know what help you need in your IELTS preparation. I'll be ready for that. In fact, you can also check the study material, especially the writing and speaking booster, available on my application by following these simple steps. Are you sick and tired of taking IELTS again and again? Are you struggling to achieve your desired IELTS score? Do you agree that learning in batches is not doing any good to you? Don't you easily get captivated with cheap IELTS training offers? Now stop playing with your future and stop worrying as well. Grab your phone today and contact us for your IELTS test preparation to achieve your dream score, and we'll make it sure that you achieve it in your very next attempt with us.